The foundation of web design is the domain name and the hosting. You definitely need a winning domain name and a reliable web hosting. How do you register a domain name and link it to a hosting account? Let's get started. First thing is to go to the registrar's website and do a name search. This is exactly what I'm doing on the screen. I'm using truehost.com. I like those guys. And you can see that the domain name came back green. That means the name is available. I also have the opportunity to register other extensions of the same domain. Okay, now it's telling me that I have a domain name, but I don't have a hosting. So when I click on that, it's giving me the option to pick a hosting package that will come with the domain name. Now you can see the prices are different. Now basically that tells you the features that come with each of these hosting package also differ. So now I'm linking the domain name with the hosting package that I've chosen. Basically just go ahead and you can see the domain name for a year, hosting also for a year, and I'm just checking now. Okay, just to check that the two are in my cart and the total reflects what I want, and I'm just gonna go ahead now and check out. Okay, next is just to provide the information required for registration of this domain name to me, and then lastly picking the method of payment that I prefer. Okay, once I'm done with that, just to click to check and I say I agree to the terms and check out. Now this is also the same with foreign providers. Now these are the guys that name cheap. I also like them. I like their services. The same thing, do a name search, and once that name comes back available, you have opportunity to register other extensions, and then you also decide for how long you want to register the domain name and also the hosting package. And that's all. You check out, make payment, and that's all. Just basically the same thing with local registrars and also international registers. That's how to register a domain and link it to